demonstration of the evening, we're going to show the use of the Pycraft dashboard. I'll just give you a feeling of what's happening right here. Our user is standing on this plane of gravel with some stone and a building just in front of them here. So now we'll take a look at what the dashboard is showing us. So the key thing about the dashboard is that it is being driven off the same API as the in-game metric. So when we're in the dashboard, we have the ability to focus on a given user. So you'll see when I click on the garbled metric, I've just deselected that user. If I click on him again, he's now selected, and operations that I perform on operations that I type in will now be dependent on him. So if I would say block, diamond, block, the diamond block will be put at the feet of the user. Right? So that operation will be based on where the current user is. The API also allows us to introspect the equipment that the user is currently using. As you can see, we can drop items in the inventory. We can also give the user new items. So if I give the user a golden axe and I enchant it, you'll see that it shows up in their inventory slot, empty inventory slot, and then you can also see the various enchantments that have been attached to it. The API lets us see the area around, so we can scroll through. We can basically pan and scan across the islands that we're on. If we want, we can grab the Z and actually go down into the ground, so we can explore what's currently beneath where we're standing. We can also return to the user if we want to. We can teleport the user. So if I click teleport and click garbled magic, I can teleport over to this location. And then we can do paste as well. So pastes are the same paste operations as we are able to do when we're in the world. But in this case, we have a selection of which thing we want to paste. So I'm going to put in a nether shrine, which is a shrine to the nether. As you can see, when we go to paste it, we get a little outline showing us where the shrine is going to be pasted. When we click, we can now rotate it if we want to, so that we can change its and so, unlike with the user, when their orientation is what's determining which location, we can see it, rotate it, change it as we want, and then reposition if we decide, hey, we're in the wrong spot, and we can eventually paste. So those paste operations work the same as the other ones, the same as the ones when we're in the world. So we can also, again, we can do the entire API we have on the chat server through here. So we have quite a few operations we can do. Kill all and all the rest are all still available. On this, as mentioned, you can see your players in a list. You can see the events that have been processed. So this is, for instance, you can see the player moving. You can see entities dying. Those are interesting mostly to figure out what kind of events are going to be available when you want to code something to happen. For instance, when an entity dies. You can see the entities that are available as well. So you can see all the things that are floating as distinct from blocks. Okay, so that is the dashboard. Thank you for your time, and have a great night.